tell them the story that you just told us.
I don't think it's a good one.
It's.
I might get in trouble.
Nah, just tell them. This is the.
DJI Goggles.
Ah, let's try that again.
DJI Goggles.
DJI?
DJI Goggles.
All right, one more time. All right, so this is gonna be a very special Tech Tuesday because we're in the Whitsunday Islands. We're gonna be taking a look at the
DJI Goggles.
Talk to us a little bit about it.
I've never used them properly, so this will be interesting, to be honest. I've turned the constructions into Cantonese and I don't have to change it back, so.
We have to plug this guy into the controller, and you said you have to take the phone off, right? Plug this in. Oh, by the way, I'm sorry about my stupid hat. It's just, you know, it's winter time. It's winter time in Australia. You gotta wear a hat.
It's winter in the Whitsundays.
I have to take off the sunglasses.
At least you look cool.
I've always wanted something like this. Okay, now how do I shut it?
So see the side? You don't touch the side there.
Don't touch the side. Oh, because that controls stuff.
Yeah, it's.
So how do I just that? There.
Yeah.
Whoa! Sorry, that's really cool. That's my actual honest first look at that. Okay. So how do I launch it?
I don't know.
Okay, I just took a picture.
Finger here, you can go right, left, or down and up.
That did. Got it.
Oh, here we go.
I'm scared. Here's the thing. I am overly late to this tech.
If you ain't first, you're last. You know?
I mean, this came out last year, and I'll link a much better video about these in the description. But on this channel, it's not about new gear. It's about the tech you might be interested in and my impressions of it.
Is it cool?
That is so cool.
Have you got the tilt with your head? Because I think you can set it up so that you can tilt the head, and then
This is her first time trying this out, so let's just see her reaction.
you might have
to
to use your hands to put it on your head.
Yeah, you can touch it.
Just don't touch this bit. That's all. Can you see?
Oh yeah.
You
Oh
can.
my god, that's so weird.
You can take your hands away.
I'm waving at myself.
Don't walk into yourself. Bye.
Hi.
How weird's that?
It feels like I'm in Avatar.
Alright. I feel like I should be able to just look like that.
Yeah, it does have controls for that, but
It looks like I'm looking at the exact same view, like 20 meters ahead.
That is what is happening.
he's trying to touch it. Yeah, we should get some water and fry it over.
Yeah, it's really. Oh, it's 5D.
Whoa. Ah.
All right, so James, this is James' thing, and this is like one of his first times trying it out himself, which is so funny to me.
Whoa. Oops. Whoa.
It makes it look like you're falling off the edge. All right. So
No one died.
no one died. Someone was thinking about getting these goggles. What would you say to them?
I think it's good, but I wouldn't go. I wouldn't say it's amazing.
Do you wish that you didn't buy it? Do you regret
Oh
buying
no, I'll still play with it.
Yeah, I still play with it. It's really cool.
This is where we live.
There's a lot of functions on this thing too that you can play. Like, wow, there's all these buttons down here I didn't even see.
Yeah, there's so many settings that I haven't played with yet. I'm sure that I can make it better.
Thanks for letting us use your goggles.
No problem.
We gotta get back to work. We're flying drones. We're getting cool shots out here, which you'll see, or maybe you've already seen. I don't know. Had fun showing you that. That's Tech Tuesday. So thanks for watching.
So I was flying using the control. My friend was sitting next to me, and I'd never put the goggles on, but I flew it down in front of him. And then I went, how weird's that, seeing yourself third person? And he goes, yeah, it's a bit too close for comfort. And then I laughed and I wasn't really concentrating, and I flew straight into his head. So he flew himself into himself, and it hit the goggles, so it was fine. But yeah, it must be pretty weird to watch yourself flying into your own head.
Classic James.
I really need to read the instructions.
So hit the subscribe button and click that little bell right next to it. And check out this video, it needs a lot more attention.